Presenting a pre-owned 2012 BMW 550i. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 93,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cold weather package, convenience package, sport package, premium sound package, cruise control, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated front seats, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth, and power windows.